Page 1. The VR041 Crusader Cyclone Robotech Mecha motorcycle, a lean, mean, racing machine. Engineer name, Domakalam Nagir Whisperer Manga Haas. Company name, Badal Robotics and Mecha Innovations, BRMI. VC firm name, Anagole Ventures. CEO, Lidaga the Speed Goddess Damajaba. Global brand overview. BRMI is the undisputed leader in Robotech Mecha motorcycle engineering, blending Philippine mythology-inspired design with cutting-edge robotics. 34 years of experience in building mechas that make other mechas cry in envy. Known for innovative solutions, high-quality components, and software so flexible it could do yoga. Offers tailored racing solutions for every speed demon out there. Founded in Manila, Philippines, 1991, with a legacy of global-first technologies like the VR041 Crusader Cyclone. Supported by Anagole Ventures, achieving milestones in the Robotech racing industry. Why the VR041 Crusader Cyclone? Advantages. Fast construction, built faster than you can say Lidaga Majaba. Durability, survives crashes that would make lesser bikes cry. Cost effectiveness, because even gods need to stick to a budget. VR041 Crusader Cyclone Systems. Anato, 1000SA, entry-level mecha bike for rookies who still think speed limits are a thing. Anato, 2500SA, mid-professional level for racers who've graduated from tricycles. Anato, 3000 series, professional level for those who eat asphalt for breakfast. Anato, 5000 series, for the gods of the racetrack who laugh in the face of gravity. BRMI Innovations. Lambuyag Racing System, features globally unprecedented technologies. Key innovations. SABS, Speed Anti-Blockage System, because getting stuck in traffic is for mortals. BRMI ALLIN1 ecosystem, runs on pure adrenaline and solar power. Racer Expert 4 flexible racing software, makes your bike smarter than your ex. Punch to light, goes from 0 to oh my gods, in 1.2 seconds. Companies working with BRMI. Solution partners, collaborate with BRMI for lightweight, high-speed mecha bike production. Preferred by racers who want to leave their competitors in the dust and look divine doing it. Mecha design details. Striking design, combines functionality and aesthetics so sleek it could win a beauty pageant. Features. Easy equipment changes, swap parts faster than a god changes moods. Simple roller and mold adjustments, because complexity is for mortals. User-friendly interfaces, even your grandma could race this thing. Built with 34 years of mecha engineering expertise. Wide product range. Machines cater to every racing need, from amateur speedsters to professional track gods. Focus on eye-catching design and functionality that makes other bikes jealous. Custom mold options. Lambuyag Racing System offers hexagonal mold, for racers who like their bikes edgy. Oval service hole, for those who prefer smooth curves. Multi-dimple, because dimples are cute, even on bikes. Rectangle mold, for the no-nonsense racer. Flange bolt, because every bike needs a little bling. Custom molds can be designed based on 2D drawings or your wildest dreams. Mecha videos. Access videos showcasing BRMI machines and their applications. Highlights ease of use and distinctive designs that make other bikes look like toys. News from BRMI. Light steel construction for interior walls, exterior walls, and floors, because even mecha bikes need a home. Packaging and transportation, folds into a suitcase for easy travel. Fire resistance, survives flames that would melt lesser bikes. Basics of light gauge steel roll form machines, a must-read for aspiring mecha engineers. Frequently asked questions. Common customer issues post-purchase: my bike is too fast. Help. Company's commitment time for issue resolution: faster than you can say Domaculum. Custom production sequence programming: because every racer is unique. Software to stop machines after completing a race, for when you need to take a breather. Third-party services for creating frame machine files, because even gods need a little help sometimes. Why choose BRMI? 33 plus years of Mecha engineering and software expertise. Global customer preference due to innovation, quality, and reliability. Racing applications. Discover the flexibility, durability, and variations of Mecha bikes. Achieve diverse racing potentials with BRMI systems. Resources. Comprehensive details on BRMI Mecha bikes. Documents on light steel structures and gauge steel connection details. For more information, visit BRMI's website or contact Lidaga, the speed goddess de Majaba. Race like a god, ride like a legend. Page 2. Lidaga, the speed goddess de Majaba, CEO of Battle Robotics and Mecha Innovations, BRMI, answering the questions with humor and charisma. 1. What is your moonshot vision, and how does this $50 million investment help you achieve it? Lidaga leans forward with a mischievous grin. Well, let me tell you, our moonshot vision is so big it makes Elon Musk's Mars colony look like a weekend camping trip. At BRMI, we're not just building robots, we're creating the Mecha Avengers of the future. Imagine a world where your robot butler can also double as your personal bodyguard, and your autonomous car can transform into a giant mecha to fight off traffic literally. With $50 million, we'll take our prototypes from cool to world-changing. We'll scale production, hire the best engineers, preferably ones who've watched Pacific Rim at least 10 times, and make sure our robots are so advanced, they'll start asking us for investment opportunities. Oh, and we'll also throw in a few Mecha dance-offs at our launch events. Because why not? 2. If we gave you $100 million instead of $50 million, what would you do differently, and why? Lidaga laughs and adjusts her imaginary Mecha helmet. $100 million? Oh, you're speaking my love language now. With double the cash, we'd go from innovative startup to a global Mecha empire faster than you can say giant robot. First, we'd build a secret R&D lab inside a volcano because every great tech company needs a villainesque lair. Second, we'd launch a line of consumer-friendly mini-mechas for everyday tasks, like walking your dog or intimidating your nosy neighbors. And third, we'd invest in a global marketing campaign featuring mechas doing yoga on the Great Wall of China. But here's the kicker, we'd still keep $50 million in reserve, because even the speed goddess knows you don't spend all your ammo in the first battle. We'd use the extra funds to scale intelligently, not recklessly. After all, we're building the future, not a fireworks show. 3. What is the one thing you're most afraid of as a founder, and how are you preparing to address it? Lidaga pauses dramatically, then smirks. My biggest fear? That one day, our robots will become so advanced, they'll unionize and demand better Wi-Fi. Can you imagine? No work until the ping drops below 10 ms. But in all seriousness, my biggest fear is losing the magic that makes BRMI special, the balance between innovation and humanity. I never want us to become so focused on tech that we forget why we're building it, to make lives better, not just cooler. To address this, I've surrounded myself with a team that keeps me grounded. My CTO once told me, Lidaga, if you try to put a jet engine on a toaster again, I'm quitting. That's the kind of honesty I need. We also have a no robot left behind policy, where every prototype gets a name and a backstory. It's hard to lose sight of humanity when your robot is named Steve and has a tragic origin story involving a spilled latte. Lidaga leans back, grinning. So, Anagole Ventures, are you ready to join the Mecha revolution? Because trust me, the future is going to be epic and we're just getting started. Cue dramatic Mecha sound effects. Page 3. Lydiga, the speed goddess Damajiba, CEO of Beta Robotics and Mecha Innovations, BRMI, delivering a charismatic breakdown of KPIs, lean manufacturing plans, and $50 million allocation. Why our KPIs matter. Lydiga strides onto the stage, holding a holographic display of BRMI's KPIs. Let's talk numbers, because even the speed goddess knows you can't outrun a bad balance sheet. Our KPIs aren't just metrics, they're the heartbeat of BRMI. Net operating income, NOI, of $90,525, this isn't just profit, it's proof that our robots are pulling their weight. Literally. Debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, of 2.1, we're not just covering our debts, we're doing it with room to spare. Think of it as our financial safety net woven from titanium, of course. Occupancy rate of 85%, our facility isn't just full, it's buzzing with activity. And with a market vacancy rate of 7%, we're in a prime position to grow. Cash-on-cash return of 10%, we're not just generating returns, we're doing it efficiently. It's like getting a 10-star review from your toughest critic. These KPIs matter because they show we're not just building robots, we're building a sustainable, scalable business. And with a valuation of $905,250 and an ER of 11%, we're proving that the future of Mecha innovation is not just cool, it's profitable. What lean manufacturing will do to our KPIs. Lydiga gestures to a futuristic factory blueprint. Lean manufacturing isn't just a buzzword, it's our secret weapon. By streamlining production, we're going to turbocharge our KPIs like a Mecha with a jetpack. Lower operating expense ratio, OR, right now, we're at 60%. With lean manufacturing, we'll slash waste and inefficiency, driving that number down. More money for R&D, less money for coffee spills on circuit boards. Higher NOI, by reducing costs and increasing output, will boost our NOI faster than you can say autonomous assembly line. Improved occupancy rate, lean manufacturing means smarter use of space. We'll optimize our 3,694 SF facility to squeeze out every drop of productivity. Faster cash-on-cash return, efficiency equals profitability. With lean processes, we'll turn investments into returns at lightning speed because that's how the speed goddess rolls. How we'll allocate the $50 million. Lydiga pulls up a pie chart with a dramatic flourish. Now, let's talk about the $50 million. This isn't just funding, it's rocket fuel for our Mecha revolution. Here's how we'll allocate it. 1. R&D, 40%, $20 million. We're building the next generation of Mechas, and that takes brains, brawn, and a whole lot of titanium. This investment will go toward cutting-edge tech, top-tier talent, and maybe a few experimental jetpacks. 2. Lean manufacturing overhaul, 30%, $15 million. We're transforming our facility into a lean, mean, robot building machine. This includes automation upgrades, process optimization, and a state-of-the-art coffee machine for our engineers. 3. Marketing and expansion, 20%, $10 million. We're taking BRMI global. From viral Mecha unboxing videos to partnerships with global brands, we'll make sure the world knows about Beta Robotics. 4. Contingency fund, 10%, $5 million, because even the best laid plans need a safety net. This fund will cover unexpected challenges like if our robots develop a sudden obsession with cat videos. The big picture. Lydiga steps forward, her voice brimming with passion. At BRMI, we're not just building robots, we're building the future. Our KPIs prove we're on the right track, lean manufacturing will take us to the next level, and this $50 million will be the catalyst for global domination. So, Anagole Ventures, are you ready to join the Mecha revolution? Because together, we're not just investing in a company, we're investing in a future where robots and humans work side by side, where innovation knows no bounds, and where the speed goddess leads the charge. Let's make it happen. Cue epic Mecha-themed soundtrack and a holographic display of BRMI's future factory in action.